Hello all my viewers. So many people have told you that you can make a lot of money on future trading on any exchange that you wish to use, and you can make the money like this. So many people have told you that you can make profit when the market is going down and when it is going up. Actually, in reality, they have not deceived you. You can make profit when the market is going down and when the market is going up. So you can make still the same profit like me from here. So just stick with me until the very end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get coins and trade them on futures, or how you can understand whether your coin that you want to trade is on future. So let's dive straight into the video. For today's purpose of education, I'm going to use Bybit. So under Bybit, you come here. You come on derivatives, all of these ones from derivative portion, USDT perpetuals, USDC contracts, USDC options, inverse contracts, all of these ones, they are future trading, but you can check which you want. So what if you want USDT perpetuals? Here on USDT perpetuals, you are going to get only the coins which has the pairs of USDT, as you can see from here. So when you come here and you click here, you will see all of these ones, all the coins that you want to use, they have USDT only as their pair. So when you come here on USDC, you will see the BTC, all the coins mostly with PEP or USDC perpetuals. So you can check from here, all of them, they have the perpetuals of USDC. So if you want to trade USDC perpetuals, you can come here and trade these ones. So if you want the options, as of now, the options we only have BTC, Ethereum, and Sol. So if you want to trade them, of course, you come here and check about them. So if you want the inverse contracts from different, of course, from different pairs, you come on inverse contracts and you select mainly on perpetuals. So still you can come on futures from here. You can see the BTC USDT, all of these ones, you can see them from here and you can trade them from there. So if you want to see more to trade derivatives, you can still come here and see all of them, how you can trade derivatives. There is unified trading account, there is MetaTrader 4, there is position builder. Most of you people might be, MetaTrader 4 is in Forex, but still in crypto on Bybit, you can find here on derivatives. So let's first click on USDT perpetuals and see how they are. So this is how BTC USDT or USDT perpetuals looks like. Alternatively, when you are here on BTC, you can come here. You can come here and click here. You can look for any coin that you wish to trade. Suppose I want to trade maybe Doge. So when you click here, of course, Doge will come here, and when you click on it, it will pop up here. So you can come here and make your selection depending on how you want to trade it. You change the isolation or the margin pair that you want to use. You select or the limit, market, conditional, whatever you wish, and you buy or sell. So if you want to see more of how you can buy or sell on future trading, just click on this very channel and you look on how you can use future trading on Bybit. So that's all, and it's one of the easiest way how you can make money online. So hope you've got it well. And if you don't know how you can transfer your money from maybe spot trading to future account on Bybit, so let me show you. You come here on assets, you go all up to assets, then you click here, you go on assets review. So once you're here, suppose your money is in spot trading and you want to put it in derivatives, so you will come automatically here on transfer. Hope you're seeing. So when you click on transfer, you will change depending on what you want. So you can change from derivatives to spot or from spot to derivatives. So if I want from spot to derivatives, I just click here and change them. So you can see. So you select the coin where your money is, suppose it is in USDT or BTC or Ethereum or whatever the coin that you have. So you put the amount and confirm. Your money will go direct on derivatives. And if still it is in funding or in anything or USDT derivatives, you can still come here and transfer it depending. So hope you've got everything well. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. Bye for today. Good luck.